Hi there, Dr. Brian here with Robin, Simon and Sugar, the small dog. We're here to let you know that we're setting up a great information event Saturday the 8th of February, 11:30 on a Saturday here.
At hands-on Superhealth Leura.
Exactly, and we're focusing on lung health. So Robin, you found some very important information recently.
I have. Look, I love my essential oils and natural health, but I have many friends in the first aid and with first responders and medical system who have been sharing with me their ongoing information they're gathering about impact on human health on an ongoing basis, and that I'm quite surprised really at the depth of what may happen moving forward. So Brian and I want to share this with you.
So we're very concerned that we start winter healthy. We know from our clinical history that when the lungs are compromised, you're far more likely to have a cough or a respiratory infection that's persistent. And so if we do some work now as we do the end of summer and into spring, into autumn, that will actually set you up for a great winter. So mark the date, the 8th, and we look forward to seeing you. There'll be some booking information below so you can be part of the game and come and meet Sugar and us and learn some great information.
Indeed, we'd be delighted to see you there Saturday morning the 8th of Feb. What time are we starting, Brian?
11:30.
And about an hour, no more of your time.
Very
you may
good.
linger if you wish, but an hour.
Okay, ciao ciao, all the best.
See you then.